First time performing on the X Factor stage. Did you like it? Did you like it? I did. Now, you guys have been performing to packed out stadiums around the world with One Direction. Did you ever imagine the type of success that you guys would have had?
No, I think when we started a band, like, you know, in a garage, in the middle of nowhere in Sydney, you don't expect to do things like we do, you know? It's incredible.
And you're loving it, aren't you?
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely love it. Well, the guys will be back right after the break to perform their brand new smash hit, Good Girls. So don't go anywhere.
She's a good girl. She's daddy's favorite. He's sacred Harvard. Also make it. She's good at school. She's never true. Shake your big butt, shouting she's wild. Stepping where she studies her. We like this stuff when it grows so soon. Watching things out the window. Anyway, her boyfriend. Here's what she told me. I'm not a card. She said to me, forget what you got. You get girls and bad girls and hide your big job. You just turn around, forget what you saw. You get girls and bad girls and hide your big job. She's a good girl, straight as you. She's willing to want herself reference. I swear she lives another girl. Martha, what does she say?